Why is your video is so good, not mine?
So if I just raise it now, raise the accelerator, what will happen?
Nothing will happen right now. Because
It's in parking mode,
you
no?
are in park, you have not worn the seat belt, so nothing happens right now. There is no engine, so no revving, nothing. Nothing like that. Press the brake,
Brakes.
then do this to R, move it back automatically, then drive mode. That's it. Now you leave the brake, it will start to. It's both hard and. Done.
Now I'll leave the brake.
Release the brake, it will start to slowly move, and then you accelerate as.
Brothers, yours also automatic only, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
You see the recording is on or not?
Yes, it's...
It's on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's like this.
I can't see
How
the
can I
speed.
move the seats little?
No, that you have to. We want to do back or front. What do you want to do?
Little back and down.
So then that long button, that bottom one, move it behind.
This one?
That one.
Okay.
Yeah.
And little down.
Down. This side, no, press down.
This one?
Press it down. Not
This is back.
back,
This is front.
front. Not that
Opposite side.
one. Down.
Now
That
press
one
it.
down.
Down.
It's not a single combination, so it will.
Yeah.
It's a multiple combination.
Oh my god.
It's,
You want to try a little more power? I'll show you how to do that.
it's the road test. The presence, road presence is
It's amazing.
quite good. Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah, quite good is also a little understatement.
Did you understand that? Yeah. It's called coupes, right?
This is a coupe.
Yeah. I'm just bouncing here front and back. Left the video.
62.
So I'll change the mode now. Just be very careful. Huh?
Okay.
I'll change the mode. Now you see how the.
Oi.
Okay.
So I'll change again. You can see it little bit reduced now. And then I'll change once more. Now you can see it gets a little more. This is
Economy. So
this is your regular one,
regular.
but this gets you the top.
What is the race?
This is the race mode. So that you get amazing power. So when you are in a normal range also, but when you are driving, say you think there is a tough situation, suddenly you want to race.
No,
You
why
press
is
that
the
bottom button? You
Turbo.
get turbo. You get 7 seconds of boosted power, and then you can zoom up.
Is it up or down?
Just press it.
Press it.
Leave it. Enough. You get 7 seconds power.
And sometimes I feel it's vibrating the steering.
That is because it recognizes if there is anything coming closer to
Okay.
collisions. That is assistance. It is giving you all those signals to be cautious.
Okay, so in IRVM I can't see anything.
You have to adjust it.
Yeah.
It's probably.
No, when I say I can't see anything, that means
Oh,
there is
this
a
one?
There is a middle.
seat rest? This one.
Just adjust it, no? Move it. You position it to your convenience. I don't know. I can't see yours driving, so you have to adjust it.
I think the brother is trying to
Address
say
is,
that
coming in.
Oh,
we have
headrest
this.
is blocking
Ah.
your thing.
Address is blocked. That's what I'm saying.
Ideally, this IRVM, at least in this car, is of very less
Usage.
usage significance or anything, because everything is
seems like
Right in front.
That's what my question was. ORVM also? It feels the same?
ORVMs is more like at least you get that indication if something is closer, right? You get that. So you know whether you have to you want to take the left or the right, just to be careful.
Yeah.
That yellow light when it switches
And
on.
is there a suspension settings as well in this?
No, suspensions is automatic.
It's automatic. Because the video which
The
marketing
dampener-
team shared, it has that you put some glasses out there and it was going like smoothly.
That goes by design. It goes.
No,
smooth.
why are you going to a petrol station?
No, I'm just handed over to you.
Me? You drive it. You are driving better.
Yeah, I mean, it's done. We are just near.
Oh, we already came?
So, this is parking.
Parking. You're done.
And what about this?
That goes to automatic parking now. Electronic parking is on. That's
Okay,
it. You're
and I
done.
have to switch off.
If you switch off now, just put the press the brake.
Brakes.
You switched it off completely now. Right now you open the door, the seat will go back also.
So, it will go. I'll open it.
It goes back to give you the best access to enter and exit.
Yes, it should be.
Video.
ब्लॉग बन गया ना.
Back to the slow driver.
No, that's fine. You're driving it safely.
That's nice. But I want a little bit more. Okay.
You want to start the car? So if car is off, I cannot use these windows up and down, all those stuff, which we can't do it anywhere, right?
No, you can still do it. I think it works. You can do it. When you are inside, it will work. Even if the switch is off, you can still do
Okay.
the windows
It
up
is
and down.
recognizing that you are in the middle seat.
Yeah, weight sensors. Okay.
And it is saying that you need to put the seat.
Put the seat belts on. Okay. But you are not wearing it, right? No. While sitting beside.
Yeah, that's why it got the vibrations. No? Then I put the seat belt. Then it stopped.
Okay.
Like even if you don't put it now, it will keep vibrating.
So this pump doesn't have the EV charging system.
The other one has.
Yeah,
that
the other one has,
The
yeah.
other one has. And that has a high speed 120 watt charge.
So did you ever got a chance to fuel your car in a BP petroleum?
Who, me?
Like-
I always fuel only BP, diesel. No other.
Okay. BP
British
is good
petrol,
petrol, yeah. BP is good.
Oh, you mean the Geo BP? No.
Acha, he means
Bharat
Bharat
Petroleum.
Petroleum.
Bharat Petroleum.
Okay. I need to put the seat belts now. But where?
The one in the middle, you can see on the top of the headrest. You can see the left.
So this is what it was.
That one, yeah.
This is not irritating tunes.
They are all meant for safety.
Yeah. No. Some cars like Tata, I think, is just.
No, in fact, this one, this is a trial car. So not all production
Things.
options are activated. In the production software, if somebody in the rear is not wearing the seat belt, the car will not go beyond 20
Okay.
Oh my god.
from a safety perspective.
Oh my god.
Now this one is just giving you signal, right? In the production version, it will not cross 20. So in my 700 previously, it just used to blink, but never restrict the speed. Now the new OS upgrade that came, no, you are on green. Why do you have to stop?
I got confused. Where are we?
We are just near the KFC.
So the new upgraded OS,
Hmm.
it starts to restrict.
Look at this also. No, nothing.
Nothing. I'm so scared.
No, that's fine. Keep the left, huh?
So where do you live?
Here only, Bagoli.
Ivy Estate.
Ivy
Oh,
Estate.
you're in Ivy. Apartment or villa?
No, apartment.
I
villa?
lived for 5 years in the villa.
Okay. How was the water condition then?
At least when I was there for the first 4 years, it was good.
It
Then
was
the
good.
last 5th year was horrible.
Okay.
By then, all the villa guys shifted to further.
You
go
can.
and turn left.
No. It's fine. You can just
No,
stop
let's
here.
Go, let's go.
No. I have
You
got
your
by
vehicle?
yeah.
Oh, okay.